Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Samsung Galaxy M23. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and tap on the search bars. Now you need to type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Now select Open. And from this screen here, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now select Send on Nokia and Receive on Samsung. Then click on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and send them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only, for example, this one photo. Choose Send and click on Got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Samsung, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and tap on Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!